Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix 100% CPU usage on your PC. So let's get started. Even if it's 90% or something like that, it still is a lot. So we want to make sure it stays as much as low as possible. So let's get started. So the first thing that you have to do is to go to this folder, this file explorer, this one. And then we go to this PC and right click on it and go to manage. After we are in manage computer management, we go to device manager here, and then we go to system devices here, and then we have to find this high precision event timer. So right click on it and click on disable device, and this will pop up, disable this device, stop functioning the device. So click on yes. And now after we done that, we go to the next step. We can close all of this now. So now we have to go to start, and we type power like this. Then we're gonna go to power and sleep settings. After that, we're gonna go to additional power settings. And here, make sure on the preferred plan, if you don't see high performance, then click on this button here. And here you should be seeing the high performance settings. So make sure the high performance profile is selected, and now we can close this. And the last thing, we go to start, right click on taskbar and go to task manager. And here we're gonna go to startup, click on startup, and here go to status, click on status to make it, to sort it by enabled. So here we can enable and disable the apps that we don't want. So I disable everything because I don't need from start to initiate and launch the apps. So this can be really useful too. So here I disable everything. You can enable some of them, but make sure you disable that one that you don't need. So just close it out and restart your PC and see how it works. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and like, and see you in the next video. Ask me any questions if you have. Bye.